How to log in Etsy account. Open the Etsy application. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Sign In. Enter your email address, or you can also continue with Google or Facebook. Tap on the sign in method that you used while creating the account. I'm going to enter my email address. Tap on the option Sign In or Create Account. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Enter the password over here. If you have forgotten the password, tap on the option Reset Password and you'll be able to reset it. Tap on the option Sign In. Once you do that, you'll be signed in to your Etsy account. Like this, you can log in Etsy account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.